Hello, my name is Benjamin Warner. I'm the lead of Mark Me Here, a school attendance app. So today I'm going to show you how a teacher would go about setting up the app. Obviously, we want universities to be able to do the same thing. However, we found that teachers are so desperate for any attendance app that we want to give them the opportunity to just quickly set up the app in a few minutes and get started with our software. So here we go. So we need to first import a repository with Vercel. We have some environment variables we need you to set up. And now we can deploy. We also can connect our storage now. So it's just want to connect our Postgres database. And now it's connected. All right, now that the app is set up with Vercel, let's go ahead and go to it. So when you first set it up, you're not going to have any providers in the database. So we got to log in with our temp provider. And this is configured in your environment variables. All right. First thing you need to do, obviously, is set up your provider so that you can actually log in properly. This is just a temporary account. So let's go ahead and set up GitHub first. And then we can go ahead and set up GitHub EDU. So this GitHub allows you to add multiple email accounts to one GitHub account. So we find an EDU email and we use that to log in. This is very helpful because a lot of schools don't allow access to their auth provider. So this is a way to kind of get around that. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and log out. All right. So now we have multiple emails. Let's go ahead and log in with GitHub EDU. So great. So let's go ahead and create a course. Right now I have it manually configured, but people can add LMS keys. So for example, right now we have Canvas. So let's go ahead and add a course here from Canvas. All right, now that we have our course, we can go ahead and manage our course members. So we'll go ahead and enroll myself as a student. We can also import data. So let's go ahead and import the CSV. Here we go. So that's our class. We can now create attendance data. So we can create a new lecture, and here we go. So we can mark people here. We can go ahead and mark a bunch of people absent. We can go forward. We can go backwards in time or forwards in time. So let's go forwards in time. And I don't know, Cecilia has been marked excused that day. All right. We can go backwards in time and revise some things. Right. And then now the best way to take attendance, however, is through the generate QR code. So let's go ahead and generate the QR code. Sweet. So now if someone scans this, they can log in and mark themselves present. So just for a demonstration, let's go ahead and do that. So it says here we can go to markmehere.com/submit. So let's go ahead and do that. So markmehere.vercel.app/submit. Sweet. And we can add our code here. And it'll actually want us to log in first because we don't have a login, obviously. But let's go ahead and do this. Oh God, I don't remember my GitHub EDU. Sorry about that. I forgot my password, but I finally got it. All right. And as you can see, you've been marked here. And we actually use some token stuff so that even if it takes you a while to log in, you can still be marked present. And that's the app. We got this done in about a month and a half. There's a lot more to do, but hopefully you enjoyed that.